Just close your eyes and let your mind drift where it wants. You are aware of everything, and yet you are not aware. You are listening with your subconscious mind while your conscious mind is far away and not listening. Your conscious mind is far away and not listening. Your subconscious mind is awake and listening and hearing everything, while your conscious mind remains very relaxed and peaceful. You can relax peacefully because your subconscious mind is taking charge, and when this happens, you close your eyes and let your subconscious do all the listening. Your subconscious mind knows, and because your subconscious mind knows, your conscious mind does not need to know and can stay asleep and not mind while your subconscious mind stays wide awake. You have much potential in your subconscious mind which you don't have in your conscious mind. You can remember everything that has happened with your subconscious mind, but you cannot remember everything with your conscious mind. You can forget so easily, and with forgetting certain things, you can remember other things. Remembering what you need to remember and forgetting what you can forget. It does not matter if you forget, you need not remember. Your subconscious mind remembers everything that you need to know, and you can let your subconscious mind listen and remember while your conscious mind sleeps and forgets. Keep your eyes closed and listen with your subconscious mind, and when you're listening very carefully, your head can now yes. As you continue to listen to me with your subconscious mind, your conscious mind sleeps deeper and deeper and deeper and deeper. Let your conscious mind stay deeply asleep and let your subconscious mind listen to me. Let your conscious mind stay deeply asleep and let your subconscious mind listen to me. And now relax. Let a good, pleasant feeling come all across your body. Let every muscle and every nerve grow so loose and so limp and so relaxed. Arms limp now, just like a rag doll. That's good. Now send a pleasant wave of relaxation over your entire body from the top of your head to the tip of your toes. Just let every muscle and nerve grow loose and limp and relaxed. You are feeling more relaxed with each easy breath you're taking. Droopy, drowsy, and sleepy. Deeper and deeper. So calm and so relaxed. You're relaxing more with each easy beat of your heart, with each easy breath that you take, with each sound that you hear. Relax more and more. Relax. Let a good, pleasant feeling come all across your body. Let every muscle and every nerve grow so loose and so limp and so relaxed, arms even more limp now. That's good. Now send another pleasant wave of relaxation over your entire body from the top of your head to the tip of your toes. Just let every muscle and nerve grow loose and limp and relaxed. You are feeling more relaxed with each easy breath that you're taking, more droopy, more drowsy and sleepy. So calm and so relaxed, you're relaxing more with each easy beat of your heart, with each easy breath that you're taking, with each sound that you hear. And now, I'm inviting you on a journey. It's a beautiful journey to the center of your being in which you will meet the version of yourself that's depth-free. And now, I want you to imagine a door in front of you. I want you to pay attention to its details with the most clarity. How does this door look like? What is it made of? Where is the handle? What kind of handle is it? What color? What texture? And in a few moments, I will give you a sign to open that door and step into the room behind it. So do it right now. Open the door, step in, close the door behind you, and take a look around you. And you notice with joy and curiosity, just like a child who discovers something new, you notice that you stepped into a big room with round walls, with no corners, no edges, just like a dome, like an igloo, with that round roof and round walls so that there are no edges or corners. Observe how in the middle of this room there is a hole, a well, like a bottomless pit. And now look around you and see how these gray walls are covered with red notes. They're square little notes like post-its. There are red post-its. And each of these notes, no matter how many or few they are, they represent all the debt you have. Every dollar bill you owe can be found on these gray walls in the form of these red post-its. And what I want you to do now, when I give you a sign, is to pick these red notes one by one, and every red note you pick, every symbolic dollar you pick, you throw it in the middle of the room, into that bottomless pit, in that bottomless well, as if they'd go away from your life forever. So begin now. This is the sign. Start picking the red notes, all those dollar bills that you owe. Take that note, walk to the center of the room and throw it into the well, into that pit, as if you throw it beyond the edge of your universe, as if even the concept of debt disappears from your reality. And that idea you have debt or that you owe money to somebody else disappears as well. And continue and circle the room with the round walls and pick these red notes one by one and then throw them into the well in that black hole and see how you feel. Notice how every note that you pick and throw feels like someone taking a weight off of your shoulders. It feels like the air is changing. Allow yourself to see how you feel when you free yourself of all that debt. And throw another note and see how your back and spine seems to straighten up. This is your moment, the moment when you are with yourself, inside your being, inside this gray room of the dollar bills you owe, and you're cleaning all that debt once and for all. As if you pick out the weeds of your garden so that flowers or vegetables can rise and grow. And now I ask you, even if you think there are no red post-its anymore or you don't see them, I will ask you to do another lap around this room to look very carefully. Maybe some of the post-its are pink, a lighter red, maybe some are hidden under white notes. Why? Because as you kept throwing them into that bottomless pit, an interesting phenomenon took place, and suddenly the walls of your gray room begin to fill with white notes, just like the flowers that finally arise and finally have room to grow in a garden with no weeds. Just like that, in the room of your soul, in the room of your debt, white notes begin to pop up, which are the dollar bills that will come to you after you clean all that debt. Because when you release the debt from your bank account, you make room for more money to come in. You make room for abundance. So do another lap around the room. Convince yourself, double check, triple check. Do it as many times as you need so that there is no red or pink note hidden behind the white one. If something appears and you find it, pick it and throw it away forever into that bottomless pit and set yourself free once and for all from all that debt. Maybe it's a promise you made to someone that you'll pay for something and you never honor that promise. Maybe it's a debt from the past that you forgot, or maybe you owe someone a service or support back. Just look very closely and release any conscious or subconscious debt you still have. Do it now and observe, look around you and observe how the gray walls are covered more and more with white notes, overwhelmed with white notes, which represents all the new money coming in, all the abundance, prosperity, and new financial opportunities coming your way. And see how you feel. It's as if you became lighter and lighter, as if you have more and more freedom, as if your soul is lighter, like the one of a child who's playing, who is free, as if suddenly you allow yourself to see the world with different eyes, as if suddenly you realize that you're free of all that debt that was weighting you down. You see yourself empowered, full of new choices, free of all those invisible threads in the form of debt, and all these qualities you wished for in your life. You see them growing inside your being, inside your soul, inside your mind. Allow yourself to see how you feel as all of these positive emotions are given birth inside your life. You become freer, more confident, and more in control. It is like suddenly a white light shines inside your body, your mind, and your soul. This light grows inside you brighter and brighter. This light of abundance, prosperity, richness, cash, excess, profit, and all these energies grow bigger and bigger inside your life. With every breath, you allow yourself to become freer, more confident, and more in control. All these qualities manifest more and more in your life, and you feel how this light of richness and overflow grows and radiates more inside you as it overwhelms and fills the entire great room that is now a white room, vibrating with pure white light full of positive qualities. And that abundant light grows and goes beyond your being and your room. It gets bigger and bigger as if it transcends space and lights everything around you. Bigger and bigger as if you are this light. You are aware that you are the light, confident, you feel better and better, and you are more certain of it with every moment. You become more the state of light, of abundance, and allow yourself to realize that. You bathe in this light. You allow yourself to realize that you are this prosperous light. And now, I want you to take all this feeling, all this revelation, all this reality, to see it, to understand it, and to make it your reality. Know that you can always return to this feeling, to this space of debt cleansing, as many times as you need, whenever you need it. You can return here in this space of your soul to cleanse the debt, the money you owe, to help your soul's garden bloom with abundance whenever you need, making this entire experience your own. Integrate it like you'd put it in your heart, like it carved on your being, so that it can always be within your reach whenever you need it. Becoming aware of this thing, in a few moments I will begin to count from 1 to 3, and with each number I want you to return here and now in this space that we are in your surroundings. 1. You start to feel your arms, your legs, the chair you're sitting on. 2. You begin to feel more and more energized, and you notice the sounds around you. And even more than that, I want you to realize that all that you've experienced, all you have cleansed and bloomed and brought into your core, will stay there and belong to you forever. And 3, open your eyes to a new world, to a new you, debt-free, abundance-full. Allow yourself to enjoy who you are and what you lived and what you can live from now on, now that you learn how to be debt-free. Congrats for all the work you did. Welcome back.